Yo guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to fix your Wi-Fi feature. Actually automatically it's just turn off when you stop using your Wi-Fi, or sometimes the weak signal cause disconnectivity, so you can fix it. The first thing you need to know, here the power option, just type here the power option and then open it, power option plan, and then go here, change advanced power setting. Once you here, you need to select high performance. I'll show you how to set the high performance, but in high performance you need to go here, wireless adapter settings, expanded, power saving mode, expanded, and now you can see here the maximum performance. Make sure to check the maximum performance instead of maximum power saving. Mostly on laptops the maximum power saving mode is activated, so you need to set it on maximum performance so your Wi-Fi won't sleep again and again. Now the second way, still your Wi-Fi is disconnected and it's not waking up, then simply type here the CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, click on yes, and you need to type here the command net user space admin space active, then dots, and then type yes without space. So I'll provide this command in the description. You can simply copy the command and paste it in the command prompt by using the administrator user, and it will solve your issue. If still you are facing, then let me know. There's a lot of other methods are available to fix your Wi-Fi connectivity, but I hope that it should fix your problem. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Before ending this video, let me clear your concept. This command is showing me is not recognized as an internal or external command operable programs or batch files. So basically I don't have a Wi-Fi, I'm using a router, so that's why it's showing me. If you have a Wi-Fi, means wireless connection with your laptop or the PC using TP-Link or any other router that catch the Wi-Fi signal and provide you the internet service, so you can apply this command on that operating system. I hope you understand. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.